You see people sometimes living on the streets because they have traveled from their regions to other regions just to make ends meet for survival, because there are no industries or businesses set up where they are coming from. And so it's like a great burden in the major cities. So the church also has a role to play, because those we witness to, definitely more lives are changed, more lives are transformed. And I think that is a significant role the church has been playing. People come to the church and they are nobodies, but give them 1, 2, 3 years and you see the same person, and then you are filled with some joy, because you know, for instance, I know how I started and I know where I am now.